Long ago, in a sparkling kingdom surrounded by silver mountains, lived a kind young girl named Mahira. She loved exploring forests, talking to animals, and watching the moon shine across the sky. The villagers believed that the moon protected their land with a magical crystal hidden deep inside the Whispering Woods. One evening, the kingdom suddenly became dark and cold. The moonlight faded, flowers stopped glowing, and the animals grew worried. The village elder explained that the Moonlight Crystal had lost its sparkle, and only a brave and kind heart could restore it. Mahira felt nervous, but knew she had to help her home. Carrying a small lantern, she walked into the Whispering Woods. The trees rustled softly as if guiding her path. Soon she met a tiny fox caught in a thorn bush. Even though she was in a hurry, Mahira gently freed the fox. The fox thanked her and decided to guide her deeper into the forest. Next, Mahira found a small bridge broken over a sparkling stream. A group of fireflies struggled to cross. Mahira carefully placed stones to make a path. The fireflies glowed brightly and lit her way forward in return. Finally, she reached a glowing cave where the Moonlight Crystal rested. But the crystal looked dull and grey. A gentle voice echoed, "Magic returns only to those who help others without expecting rewards." Mahira thought about the fox and the fireflies. She realized she had helped them simply because it was right. She placed her hands softly on the crystal and whispered, "Please shine again and bring happiness back to everyone." Suddenly, the crystal began to glow brighter than ever. Silver light filled the cave and spread across the forest. Flowers opened, animals cheered, and the moonlight returned to the kingdom. When Mahira walked back home, the villagers welcomed her with smiles and music. The elder said, "Your kindness and bravery restored the magic." But Mahira simply said, "I just helped friends along the way." From that day on, the kingdom shone brighter than ever. The fox became her loyal companion, and the fireflies danced around her every night. Mahira learned that real magic doesn't come from crystals or spells. It lives in every act of kindness and every brave decision we make. And whenever the moon rose high in the sky, Mahira remembered her journey through the Whispering Woods and how a small, kind heart saved an entire kingdom. Moral: kindness and courage create the greatest magic of all.